Cannot change password on Clarity Money Plus fix. If you're trying to change your password on the Clarity Money Plus app and it just won't let you, you're not imagining things, it's a known issue. Most users assume they can update their password inside the app settings, but here's the surprise. In truth, Clarity Money handles all password resets through its account recovery system, not through the in-app options. Here's how to fix it fast. Go to Clarity Money, Calm on your browser, and click Login. On the login page, select Forgot Password. This is the official way to reset or change your credentials. Enter the email associated with your Clarity Money Plus account, then hit Submit. Within a few minutes, you'll receive a reset link from Clarity Money. Click it and you'll be directed to a secure page to create a new password. Choose a strong one, at least 8 characters long, including a number and a symbol for extra security. Confirm the password and click Save. Now, go back to your Clarity Money Plus app, log out completely, and sign back in using your new password. Your account data will automatically sync, and you'll regain full access. If you don't get the reset email within 5 minutes, check your spam folder or any filters that might have moved it. Still missing? Try resending the link or reach out to Clarity Money support team for direct assistance. It's also worth noting that outdated app versions sometimes prevent logins after a password reset. To avoid that, make sure your Clarity Money Plus app is fully updated before signing back in. In short, the fix is simple. Use the Forgot Password link on the Clarity Money website to reset it securely. Once complete, your new password will work across all devices. No bugs, no stress, just smooth and secure access to your Clarity Money Plus account.